guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new Hot Wheels set which has just arrived. I have my hands on the neon speeders. The code for this is HLH72 and it contains 10 pieces. To a repeat, this is Hot Wheels neon speeders and all these cars are made in Indonesia. So without wasting time, let me show you the cars in this box. This is the 2025 Hot Wheels Neon Speeders. We have the Hot Wheels Neon Speeders. Before I show you the car in much detail, let me read out other few details. You have the Hot Wheels code here, that is HLH72, which is for neon speeders. This total of 8 cars in this set, and this is the first car that I'm going to show you. And to a repeat, look at the Hot Wheels neon speeders logo there. That is very cool. Now let me read out other few details at the back of the card. The month and year of manufacturing is 3/20/25. The month and year of import is 4/20/25, and the MRP still stands at $299, which is very great. Now let me show you the car in much great detail. At first we have the 98 Honda Prelude. Overall, it is a very cool car, and if you guys notice the wheels, the rear end wheel and the front wheel are of different colors. This is not a Hot Wheels error, this is as intended. So now let me show you a few details. So look at the front here. So you have the logo placed there. It is very tiny there. The Honda logo is placed very well. And then on the bonnet you have the G Ready written there, and there's that stripes, which is so cool. And all the colors used in this car, the stripes especially, are neon colors. And you have the G Ready written there too, and there's that 8 on the doors. And coming on the rear end here, so you have the Honda logo there and painted tail lamp details. And you even have the Prelude written behind in very tiny letters. And now talking about the top here, you also have the sunroof detailing here. So again, that is very cool, and this comes with the side view mirrors. And now let's look at the base here. This comes with the black plastic base. Overall, this is a good casting, and I love the card art too. So now let's move on to the next casting. Up next we have the Mazda RX-7. This is the second car in this series, and look at the card art. Again, the card art is fantastic, and if you guys notice the card art, obviously the car changes. This is the Mazda RX-7 in a beautiful pink color, and this car is not selling out much because many people are preferring Porsche, and this is also a repeat in this set. So now look at the details here. The details is fantastic, actually, up to the mark for Hot Wheels card art, and there's a lot of artwork, I must say, on the bonnet there. Of course, you have the Mazda written on the doors. And talking about the rear end, this is what I like in this car. It has the painted tail lamp, and look how nice it is. And this is the top of the car. And now showing you the bottom, this again comes with the black plastic base. I do not really know why many people are not opting for it, but this is a very good car that you can have in your collection. Let's move on to the next car. Up next we have the third car in this series, that is the 2008 Lancer Evolution. Look how nice it is. The green color and the wheels here matches very well. And if you had to compare the other cars with this one, this has a lot of artwork, I must say. And now talking about the details there, you have the Mitsubishi logo there placed very well, and you have the plastic inserts headlights. I think it is plastic inserts, so do let me know in comments what it is exactly. And now talking about the artwork here, the amount of artwork here on the door is epic here, but I feel it is too much. And talking about the rear end here, you even have the logo placed there and the painted tail lamp. And now talking about the top here, again there's that artwork there, and let's go to the base here. This comes with the black base. So this was the 2008 Lancer Evolution. Let's move on to the next car. Up next, this is the fourth car in this set, and this is the Toyota AE86 Corolla. Again, the car art is fantastic there, and without wasting time, let me show you the details on the car. So I think this is open here. The window is open. So again, it is very cool there. And talking about the front end here, so look at the amount of detailing. Hot Wheels car art premiums never fail to amaze me because of the amount of details that they have. Then you even have the artwork on the bonnet, and then you have the Bridgestone on the front there. So it is very cool. And now look at the doors here. Again, it has artwork, but if you had to compare with the previous car to this one, I would say this is pretty fine. And now talking about the rear end, it again comes with the painted tail lamp details, and I feel it could have been much better if there was number plate detailing given. And this is the top of the car. It is quite plain, and this comes with the black plastic base. So this was the Toyota AE86 Corolla, and let's move on to the next car. Up next, we have the fifth car in this series. Before I continue, I would say these Hot Wheels glow under UV light. It does not glow under normal light, but it glows under UV light. So this is a very cool set that you can have it in your collection. So now let me show you the car in much detail. So again, the window is open there. So I think it is open. Yeah, it is open there. And we have the Datsun Fairlady 2000. Look at the amazing pink wheels and the pink and white color combination. It is so cool. So look at the front end here. It has a lot of details, and I love the details in this car. And look at the door here. It is so nice there. Again, opinions may vary, and many people may not like all the cars in this set. So you have the Datsun written wonderfully there, and you have the painted tail lights, and look at the amount of detailing here. So overall, I like this car too. In fact, I was thinking if I should buy the set, but I went ahead and I feel it is worth it. This comes with the black plastic base. This was the Datsun Fairlady 2000. Up next, we have the most demanded car in this set. This is the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Look at the car art. The car art is again fantastic, and many people want this car in their collection. So we have the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. The main thing here is the matte finish there. It is so cool. It is the black matte, and everyone loves it. It matches the Porsche very well. Talking about the headlights here, it comes with the painted headlights, and then on the bonnet you have the 76 written. And look at the door, again you have the 76 written there, and then you have the Hot Wheels logo placed. And talking about the rear end, though this car is plain, it is very classic and many of them want it. And this is the rear end here. Look at the top of the car, and now this comes with the black plastic base. This is the most demanded Hot Wheels car in this set. That is the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Up next is the seventh car in this series, and this is my most favorite. I do not know if it is my favorite because it is the Camaro, or is it because of the detailing and the artwork here. So now let me show you the car. This is the 2018 Copo Camaro SS. This is quite heavy, I'll tell you why. So look at the front end here. It comes with painted headlights, and there's that logo placed very well. And then you have the Copo written on the bonnet, and there's that detailing even on the bonnet there. And look at the wheels and the color combination, the black and orange, it matches very well. And there's that Hot Wheels logo placed. Then talking about the rear end here, the rear end is quite plain, but look at the Hot Wheels, look at the Chevrolet logo placed in the middle, and then you have the painted tail lamp details. And this is the top of the car. I am quite happy that they kept the top plain. And talking about the base that everyone is interested, there's only two cars which come with metal base, and this is one of them. So this was the cool 2018 Copo Camaro SS, and this is my favorite from the set. Up next we have the last car in this series, that is the 8th car in this set. We have the BMW 2002, and I'm quite happy that they tried to keep this car quite plain. Talking about the front here, it has the painted headlights, and look at the grille details, it is so epic. And the logo again, it is placed very well. And talking about the doors, I love the stripe of colors, and there's that Hot Wheels logo there. Talking about the rear end here, it comes with the BMW logo, painted tail lamp, and there's the 2002 written next to the BMW logo. And the top is again quite plain, and here the base is of metal. So this is the second car in this series that has metal body and metal base. So this was the BMW 2002. So do let me know which one is your favorite. In my case, the most favorite was 2018 Copo Camaro SS. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do let me know if you have these cars in your collection, and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. See you guys in my next video.